Hey, what's up guys, TechBox here. If you are considering a new iPhone 17 Pro, we have excellent news for you. Apple is planning to fundamentally expand the operating memory to 12 GB RAM. Why? So that your iPhone, it handled even more artificial intelligence tasks and was quicker than ever before. Remember the days when we questioned whether 2 GB of RAM was enough for a phone? Those days are long gone. With the arrival of Apple Intelligence, i.e. smart features driven by AI, iPhones require more power, and Apple knows that. That's why in models iPhone 17 Pro Max will boost the memory to 12 GB of RAM. This implies speedier multitasking, greater performance while editing photographs, and most crucially, smoother execution of AI features. Past models iPhone the 15 Pro has only 8 GB of RAM, while the basic version's iPhone 15 had to settle for 6 GB. With the release of the iPhone 16, Apple RAM has been standardized at 8 GB for all versions, but now there is another change. So if you are going to upgrade, iPhone 17 Pro may be the greatest option if you want a future-ready gadget. This memory increase isn't just about numbers on paper. If you routinely use demanding applications, edit images, or love playing games on your smartphone, you'll notice the difference almost instantly. iPhone 17 Pro will not only feature more RAM, but also greater optimization for AI, which implies smarter Siri, more accurate text and picture recognition, and enhanced automated photo editing. And it's not just about iPhones. Apple has previously made a similar move with MacBooks, whose basic models now start at 16 GB of RAM. It's evident that AI is the future, and Apple, he doesn't want his equipment to fall behind. According to released information, Mac, in addition to RAM, we will also see a 120Hz OLED display for all models iPhone 17. This implies smoother normes, greater touch responsiveness, and an overall even better user experience. While Apple tweaks his iPhone 17 Pro, the competitors will not remain idle. Samsung is planning Produce Galaxy S25 Slim, which is to be incredibly thin and highly powerful at the same time. The fight for the greatest smartphone of 2025 will be incredibly exciting. If you have iPhone 15 Pro or later, you may not be too enthusiastic about this update, but if you're utilizing previous devices, iPhone 17 Pro will be a tremendous jump ahead. 12 GB of RAM will assure smoothness for years to come, and AI features will make your daily usage more delightful. Apple looks to be shifting away from its conventional size-based naming standards, marking a change toward a more unique identity for each model in the iPhone 17 family. A noticeable addition is the predicted iPhone Air, which is slated to replace the Mini and Plus variants. This gadget is projected to offer an ultra-thin, lightweight design, appealing to those who emphasize mobility without sacrificing on performance. This rebranding endeavor intends to streamline the decision-making process for customers. By establishing a sharper differentiation between models, Apple has positioned itself to fulfill the various demands of its customer base. Whether you value portability, revolutionary power, or luxury features, this new method might make it simpler to pick the ideal gadget for your lifestyle. The iPhone 17 series is believed to offer a considerable revamp of its camera technology, with noteworthy variances among the models. For the Pro and Pro Max models, leaks reveal the addition of a robust metal camera bump. This design not only boosts structural strength but also maximizes interior space, possibly supporting bigger batteries and enhanced camera sensors. On the other hand, the iPhone Air and basic versions are rumored to sport a glass camera bump, delivering a clean and minimalist design. These upgrades underscore Apple's dedication to balance durability with design, making ensuring that the camera remains a prominent feature across all models. Whether you're a casual user or a photography expert, these modifications might boost both the usefulness and visual appeal of the devices. Replacing the Pro Max, the speculated Ultra model is intended to appeal to those wanting top-tier performance and sophisticated features. Leaks say this gadget may contain 12 GB of RAM, vapor chamber cooling for increased thermal management, and an updated brain engine geared for sophisticated AI processing. These upgrades would make the Ultra model a perfect option for multitasking, gaming, and computational photography. If these speculations hold true, the Ultra might establish a new norm for premium smartphones, bringing unrivaled performance and innovation. For power users, this device may become the ultimate tool for managing tough activities, redefining what a high-end smartphone can do. Apple's in-house C1 modem is likely to debut in the iPhone Air, promising enhanced battery economy and smarter communication. However, the Pro versions are expected to retain Qualcomm modems to maintain compatibility with millimeter-wave 5G networks, which are crucial in locations where this technology is extensively used. In addition, the whole iPhone 17 series is believed to contain Apple's own Wi-Fi chip with Wi-Fi 7 capability. This update might give quicker and more dependable Wi-Fi performance, increasing activities like as streaming, online gaming, and file sharing. These hardware enhancements emphasize Apple's commitment on energy efficiency and smooth communication, ensuring customers can remain connected without sacrificing battery life or performance. The iPhone Air is likely to lead the way in design innovation with its ultra-thin profile and immersive display. This device might change expectations for lightweight smartphones, delivering a mix between mobility and screen size. Across the spectrum, updated camera systems and sophisticated cooling technologies strive to improve overall performance, from longer battery life to increased picture quality. These changes underscore Apple's continued endeavor to produce products that are not just powerful but also suitable for regular use. Whether you're streaming films, shooting high-quality images, or running demanding applications, the iPhone 17 series promises to provide a smoother and more efficient user experience. As Apple continues to push the frontiers of smartphone technology, the iPhone 17 series might establish new norms for the industry. With a refreshed portfolio, breakthrough technology, and intentional design modifications, Apple has positioned itself to fulfill the different requirements of its people. Whether you're lured to the ultra-thin iPhone Air, the robustness of the revamped camera systems, or the unique capabilities of the rumored Ultra model, these changes suggest a more polished and diverse user experience. The highly anticipated iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max are poised to change smartphone photography, owing to a range of unprecedented innovations and unique features. According to recent leaks and reports, Apple is working on both functionality and design to guarantee its flagship smartphones stay at the forefront of the ever-evolving smartphone industry. If you're contemplating upgrading your handset, here's a description of the most interesting features you can anticipate from the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. Cameras. One of the most major things creating excitement in the tech sector is the prospective shift in camera design. Apple is said to be replacing the famous triangle camera setup with a sleek, contemporary horizontal or vertical bar structure. This revamp would match the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max with major rivals like the Google Pixel and Samsung Galaxy, which have already adopted comparable layouts. Beyond simple aesthetics, this alteration might have far-reaching repercussions for the device's internal space management. By optimizing the arrangement, Apple may be able to include bigger sensors or enhance heat dissipation, eventually increasing the camera's performance. For users, this implies a more simplified, modern style without sacrificing on functionality. The iPhone 17 Pro variants are said to include unique 48-megapixel sensors across all three rear cameras, including the telephoto and ultra-wide lenses. This consistent resolution might contribute to a dramatic boost in picture quality, offering clearer, more detailed photographs, particularly when zooming in or recording wide-angle shots. Moreover, the digital zoom capabilities of the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max are projected to stretch up to an astonishing 50x, signifying a major boost over current versions. Whether you're taking faraway vistas or concentrating on fine details, these additions might raise your photography experience to new heights. Even the basic iPhone 17 is likely to gain from camera advancements, notably in the ultra-wide lens category. Rumors say that the ultra-wide lens may also get a 48-megapixel sensor, essentially reducing the performance difference between the ordinary and Pro versions. This improvement might dramatically enhance low-light photography and produce better results for expansive photos, allowing users greater creative freedom and the potential to shoot breathtaking, high-quality photographs in a broader variety of settings. While it may seem like a little tweak, the alleged modest aperture modification on the Pro model's primary wide sensor might have a dramatic influence on light intake and picture quality. The adjustment from aperture 1.3 to 1.28 may look modest, but it might dramatically increase the camera's performance, especially in low light conditions. For users, this equates to brighter, more colorful photographs with greater depth and clarity, especially in tough lighting circumstances. Whether you're shooting memories at a candlelight meal or photographing a sunset, the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max cameras are intended to provide amazing results. The front-facing camera is also slated to get a substantial improvement, with speculations predicting a 24-megapixel sensor, twice the quality of current versions. This increase might result in astonishingly crisper and more detailed selfies, in making the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max perfect for group photographs, video chats, or vlogging. Additionally, there are murmurs of a broader field of vision being implemented, ensuring that everyone fits properly within the frame without any distortion. Whether you're shooting moments with friends or connecting with loved ones via FaceTime, the improved front-facing camera is prepared to give an unrivaled experience. Apple is slated to introduce the highly anticipated iPhone 17 range in September 2024, with availability following soon after the formal announcement. While price is reported to stay constant with current models, it's crucial to remember that regional differences may exist owing to variables such as currency changes and import costs. If you're going to update your gadget, this timeframe gives adequate chance to prepare and spend properly. The iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max are shaping up to be breakthrough developments in smartphone technology, notably in the domain of photography. From the revised camera arrangement to the better sensors and greater zoom capabilities, these smartphones are ready to provide an unsurpassed user experience. Whether you're a professional photographer trying to push the frontiers of mobile photography or a casual user hoping to record life's important moments in amazing clarity, the expected features of the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max cameras are guaranteed to surpass your expectations. As the release date approaches, the iPhone 17 series is likely to leave a lasting effect on the smartphone industry and revolutionize what's possible with mobile photography. So, that's all we know for now. We'll be sure to keep you updated as soon as we have more information. Thanks for watching.